Dear learners, hope you are fine. Today, once again, we are going to do unseen passage, that is text analysis. So, go through the text, then we will do some exercises in the light of the text. See, it is encouraging to note that despite the reopening of most parts of our economy, Bangladesh has been experiencing a steady decline in weekly averages of deaths, test positivity, and case rates for the last 2 months with regards to the coronavirus. According to experts, the reason for the decline is most likely due to the widespread presence of antibodies among the masses. While such a conclusion seems credible, considering that in a recent study, it was found that 45% of respondents in Dhaka had developed antibodies. It is also an indication of the increased exposure people have had to the virus since places of business are allowed to open up. This news no doubt provides us with an opportunity to be somewhat optimistic regarding the future spread of the virus. But it should not by any means lead to laxity
Adab
of,
sir.
of any sort in our efforts to ensure that the situation continues to improve. Our initial reaction to the presence of the virus was poor, to say the least, with widespread mismanagement, a lack of planning, and overall administrative incompetence, leading to thousands of infected individuals finding their way into society, despite the fact that they had arrived from some of the most highly affected nations in the world. Now, see, we are going to do some word note. Before reading any text, we will note some words with that we are not familiar. Here, we learn the meaning of these words. Decline. Decline means decrease. Decrease মানে হ্রাস. Credible. Credible means believable. Credible. Credible. Optimistic means hopeful. Optimistic. Laxity. Laxity means negligence or sloppiness. Incompetence means disqualification or unskillfulness. See, number 2, we will use some prefix or suffix to build new words. Courage. With courage, yes, we can use encourage n for prefix or suffix. Use suffix with this word. Then what it will be? Courage, courageous, courageous, or courageous. Okay. Suffix and prefix encouraging. Expert. Use a suffix. Expert, expertise or expertise means skillfulness, skill. Credible,
Incredible.
incredible. Expose, exposure, exposure. Arrive, arrival.
Arrival.
Arrive, arrival. Fine. We are good students. Now we are going to number 3. You are to make sentences with the following phrases. With regards to.
মানে সম্মানের সহিত
With regards to means in connection with. For example, I have little knowledge with regards to coronavirus. Be likely to. Be likely to means it might happen. Means it is possible. For example, you are likely to be a doctor. Means there is a possibility of your being a doctor. To say the least. To say the least means একেবারে কম বলতে গেলে মানে সবচেয়ে কম বলতে গেলে to say the least. To say the least, you are a thief. মানে তোমাকে একেবারে কম বললে তুমি একজন চোর। To say the least আর to say the best এর opposite. To say the least, you are a good player. An indication of. An indication of means there is a hint of. Indication means hint. Can you make a sentence with an indication of?
Sir, there is an indication of mix the puzzle. Solve the puzzle.
Yes, there is an indication of increasing coronavirus in winter. Despite the fact that. Despite is used mostly for in spite of. You can use in spite of or despite synonymously. Despite the fact that. Make sentence. They are poor despite the fact that they are working hard. Okay, now we are going to number 4. Change the following sentences as per instructions. This is grammatical issue. See, Bangladesh has been experiencing a steady decline. Make interrogative.
Hasn't Bangladesh been experiencing a steady decline?
Yes, fine, thank you. Hasn't Bangladesh been experiencing a steady decline? You must put a question mark. This news no doubt provides us with an opportunity. How to make it complex? This news no doubt provides us with an opportunity. Can you make it complex?
It is a matter of doubt that this news provides us with an opportunity.
Okay, you can do better way. For example, there is no doubt that this news provides us with an opportunity. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Our initial reaction to the presence of the virus was very poor. How to make it exclamatory? Very simple. Our initial reaction to the presence of the virus was very poor.
How poor,
How poor
Yes.
our initial
how
reaction of the
poor
present.
initial reaction
How poor our initial reaction to the presence of the virus was.
was.
A note of exclamation. Note of exclamation you have to put. Number D. They had arrived from some of the most highly affected nations. Negative. They had arrived from some of the most highly affected nations. কেমন করে নেগেটিভ হবে?
They had not lived from some of the most highly affected nations.
ট্রান্সফরমেশন তো, তাহলে তো মিনিং চেঞ্জ হয়ে গেল না?
Had not lived from.
They had not arrived from any of the least affected nations. You have to do in this way. Most highly এই ফ্রেজটা বাদ দিতে হবে আর সামের জায়গায় এনি ইউজ করতে হবে। এনি অফ দ্য লিস্ট, মোস্টের পরিবর্তে লিস্ট অ্যাফেক্টেড নেশনস, মানে তারা সর্বোচ্চ আক্রান্ত জাতি থেকে এসেছিল, তারা মোটেও একেবারে কম আক্রান্ত জাতি থেকে আসেনি, এরকম আর কি। ওকে, নাও নোট দা কোশ্চেনস ফার্স্ট। এই কোশ্চেনগুলি তোমরা নোট করে নাও, দেন উই উইল গো টু দা টেক্সট ওয়ান্স अगेन। Quick. And the classes is being recorded. That's why our time is short. First question, what is found in a recent study? Note it in your script. How did thousands of infected individuals find their way into society? What is the good news with regards to the coronavirus? Have you finished writing? Once again, I am reading for you. Then I will go to the text. What is found in a recent study? How did thousands of infected individuals find their way into society? What is the good news with regards to the coronavirus? Okay. Okay. Now let's go to the text once again. See, our first question. What is our first question? Can anybody help me?
Study.
What?
What is found in a recent study? Sorry.
Yes, see, we will find it here in a recent study. Then what is found? See, what is found? It was found that 45% of respondents in Dhaka had developed antibodies. Understand?
Sir,
40
respondents অর্থ কি?
respondents means মানে যাদের উপরে পরীক্ষা চালানো হয়েছে বা স্টাডি করা হয়েছে, মানে যারা সাড়া দিয়েছে, যে রেসপন্ড করে তাকে রেসপন্ডেন্ট বলে। তাহলে অ্যানসারটা হচ্ছে it was found that 45% of respondents in Dhaka had developed antibodies. You know what is antibodies? Antibodies means the power of fighting with the disease. Understand? Then what is our next second question? What was our second question?
Sir, how did thousands of infected individuals find their way into society?
Yes. See in the last para. Last para you will get the answer. How did? It is আমরা এভাবে লিখতে পারি for widespread, এই যে এখান থেকে for with এর জায়গায় for লিখবো, for widespread mismanagement, a lack of planning and overall administrative incompetence led thousands of infected individuals find their way into society. That will be enough. মানে কোশ্চেনটাকে একটু সিস্টেম করে লিখতে হবে, মানে একটু টেকনিক্যালি ঘুরাই নিতে হবে। Number 3, what is the question?
What is the good news with regards to the coronavirus?
Yeah, what is the good news? See in the first para, what is the good news with coronavirus, with regards to coronavirus? See, in this para we will get the answer. It is encouraging to note that despite the reopening of most parts of our economy, Bangladesh has been experiencing a steady, is here. Here we are getting the news, good news. The Bangladesh has been experiencing a steady decline in weekly averages of deaths, test positivity, and case rates for the last 2 months with regards to coronavirus. বুঝতে পেরেছো? মানে গত 2 মাস যাবত স্টেডিলি, মানে দৃঢ়ভাবে আমরা পর্যবেক্ষণ করতেছি যে এভারেজ ডেথ রেট কমে গেছে, টেস্টের পজিটিভিটি কমে গেছে, তারপরে and case rates for the last 2 months with regards, হ্যাঁ মানে এই ধরনের কেস কম পাওয়া যাচ্ছে। That is good news for us. Then that's all for this class. You are to study a lot more, keep practicing.